Brad Hall here, and today I've got some Travis Scott merch. Right next to me, I've got some items from the McDonald's and PlayStation collabs. We are gonna take a long, close look at those items. Then we're gonna answer the question, is Travis Scott merch worth it? That is all ahead. Travis Scott has been working with some major players in the world of business and commerce. With every collaboration, there tends to be an extensive merch collection. Now, I picked up some items from the McDonald's and PS5 releases. I bought them a pretty long while ago, but they are pre-orders, so it does take a while to get those actual items in hand. The main reason I picked up some Cactus Jack merch, I was curious about the quality. I also wanted some of that McDonald's stuff just in case something happens to my other Travis McDonald's keepsakes. I've still got the box that the sandwich came in, and then the sandwich and the fries, those are still doing well in their vacuum sealed packages. But if something maybe pierces one of those packages, it's really nice to have a shirt. So I picked up 2 items from McDonald's. This shirt that's on display right here. And I've also got this sweatshirt, something that I thought was really fun about the McDonald's stuff. It came with this bag. It's got that Cactus Jack McDonald's logo. That's a very fun item. The t-shirt, it's got a dye going on. You've got some variation in the coloring. You've got this really fun image on the front of the shirt. I really like that the lettuce on the burger, it is a vibrant, healthy looking green. That is very refreshing to see. So the first thing I noticed, this sweatshirt, it's kind of a summer weight sweatshirt, so I can wear this in warmer weather. This embroidered McDonald's Cactus Jack logo on that chest. Now let's check out these PlayStation pants. I'm very excited about this one. That classic duck canvas workwear pants. It's got that extra material on the legs so you can get on your knees, get on that floor, and not tear up your pants too quickly. I like these graphics that they've applied to it. You can see in this bottom corner that iconic image of Travis. Well, this shirt, the quality is pretty good. It's not the thickest shirt, but it does feel pretty substantial. One of my favorite little details, they do incorporate that puff print that's ever so popular. That is something I would definitely consider putting on the next shirt that I release. The other thing I will say about this shirt, it is more expensive than a plain shirt, but if you compare the two, the Travis shirt is gonna give you a lot more in terms of colors and images, so you're getting a lot of bang for your buck there. Now this sweatshirt, this one a little bit disappointing, but these pants are a real star. The material on them is very heavyweight, and I do like those prints on here. They're subtle. They create kind of a visual texture going down the leg. 2 out of 3 in the quality department. That is not bad at all. I think my biggest hang up with the merch is that pre-order. You end up waiting a really long time to get everything, and by then, a little bit of the excitement has faded. As much as I love this McDonald's shirt, I would have loved it even more if I could have had it around that sandwich release. I could have gone into the McDonald's and just pointed at my chest and said, this is what I want. This meal that's right on my chest. So those are my thoughts about the Travis merch. I'm definitely looking forward to more Cactus Jack related releases. Thank you for watching.